What? Oh, what's up? You know what I'm saying? How y'all doing today, man? Look, this open to my humble abode, you know what I'm saying? You know, this is my first MTV crib, but you know what I'm saying? I'm sure you how I don't hear really much to it, but you know, over there's a nice little key rack over here, got a nice little coat closet, you know what I'm saying, with a $1 million vacuum in there. But you know, we ain't gonna talk on that, you know what I'm saying? Over here, you got your nice washer and dryer, you know what I'm saying? You know, something slight, very peaceful. Come over here, you know, it's the kitchen area, you know what I'm saying? You know, I got my pineapples, my fruits and all that, you know, keeping it real healthy, organically, you know what I'm saying? I would show y'all the fridge, but you know, I ain't got nothing in there. I got nothing in there. I really got nothing in there, you know what I'm saying? But, you know what I'm saying, walk away, you know what I'm saying? Got my nice little table I eat, you know what I'm saying? Right here, like this is my favorite part of the house, you know what I'm saying? It's like I got my big ass TV on the wall, you know what I'm saying? I got my lights on the ceiling to watch. I even got my game mounted right here, you know what I'm saying? You come right here, my game is mounted, my Xbox is mounted. So now I'm saying I'm handing out ass whoopings all year long, Call of Duty, Madden, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Pop right here after a long day. You know what I'm saying? You watch the game right here, you know. This is my goal board, but I can't let y'all see all this, but you know, that's what, you know, all the big ideas going on there. Look, you got the soundboard mounted on the wall right here, you know what I'm saying? I got my organic plants in the corner right, you know what I'm saying? Keep it all green. Then, you know what I'm saying? Then when you really watch the movies, it gets set up like a nice sound woofer. Ooh! I swear, like that setup right here, like I really like, you know what I'm saying? Like that. Like if you get you one, get your Polk. Like get your Polk sound system. That thing is amazing. So that thing, you know what I'm saying? I come out here every morning. And, you know what I'm saying? I stay with up to nature, you know what I'm saying? City living, you know what I'm saying? Like it's cool vibes. And like one thing I really like, you know what I'm saying? We really sitting out here. I got my tables and chairs sitting right here, you know what I'm saying? Wake up every morning, grab my coffee, bring that the book and you read, you know what I'm saying? You know, you thank God what you're grateful for, you know what I'm saying? And you reminisce, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm a long way from Downsville. Like, I really be thinking about it, like, damn, I'm really from Downsville, Louisiana, and like, now I'm in Ohio living downtown, so like, it's an amazing feeling. Like, the second thing I really like about this apartment too, like the glass. It's one-way tinted. So like, you know what I'm saying? Like, y'all can't see it. I be standing out there looking at people over there like, I see your ass, but you know what I'm saying? Like, that's something simple and slight that I really like about the apartment. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Walk back this way. You know what I'm saying? This is the bedroom, but I'm gonna come back to that last. You know what I'm saying? I got the bathroom right here. You know, like I said, ain't nothing too fancy because I'm still getting things situated. You know what I'm saying? Shower. You know what I'm saying? My closet. You know what I'm saying? You know, Mr. Put It On type of shit. You know what I'm saying? This ain't even all my shoes and clothes. You know, a lot of it still, you know, up. But you know, this a closet area. Like, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, I like that feature as well. You know, now moving on to, you know, the master bedroom. You know what I'm saying? The master bedroom, you know what I'm saying? Well, nothing really goes on in here, you know. You know, when they be on TV, they be like, this will all the magic go down. Nah, you know what I'm saying? Nothing don't be going down in this bed. You know what I'm saying? Just a real nice, comfy ass bed. You know, like I said, you got the big ass mirrors in the room. You know, one ways, wake up, see the view, you know what I'm saying? Got my mirror and my ring light right here. And you know, that's all it is too. Like I said, I ain't finished decorating yet. I'm gonna put some these things on the wall, put some photos, paintings, and things like that. Make it real, you know, pop and nice. You know, really make it stand out. But in that, you know what I'm saying? Like it's still in the making. So like, you know what I'm saying? Like it's still in the making. But like this the crib. You know what I'm saying? Like this the spot. This the spot to be. But look, you know what I'm saying? Come this way. Come check this out. Look, you already know what time it is. You gotta go. I want to say and give a huge thanks and shout out to my girlfriend parents, my sisters and them, and all my supporters that helped me furnish my first apartment. You know what I'm saying? Because I didn't do it all on my own, so I did have a lot of help, and I am really blessed and grateful for that. So I really appreciate everyone that contributed to helping me furnish my first apartment. Okay, so look, I hope y'all enjoyed the tour, you know what I'm saying? I really like the apartment. I hope you guys like it. You know, I just really want to share. Even though the apartment is not done, I really want to share with you guys. I know a lot of you guys was asking, you know, Shay, let me see the spot, you know, blah, 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 blah. So, you know, I definitely want to deliver the video, you know what I'm saying? And even though it's not finished at all, there's like a lot of little things I got to order still. As you can see, you know, the apartment was 100% finished. But, you know, I love it. But, you know, I don't want to share that with you guys. But I know a lot of you guys also been asking, like, how much did everything cost, right? You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna jump straight into the cost. Probably leave a link in the description on where I got some of the products. If you wanna know where I got my couch from on my TV, or you know what I'm saying? You know, I don't mind, just comment down below. If YouTube turn on my damn comments, Lord. But yeah, if not, hit me up on IG and DM me, and I don't mind answering the question. But, so I'm gonna dive straight into the couch, right? I really like the couch. The couch costs like $2,200, right? Yes. I got the couch from Ashley Furniture. The couch cost $2,200. That was $2,200 well spent on a nice, comfy couch that, you know, I like to, you know, after a long day, relax on. I do regret buying the couch in that cream color, you know what I'm saying? Because it could get dirty, but you know, you only live once, YOLO. So I don't regret it, but I like the couch. The couch was $2,100. Boom. That's, yeah. Honestly, I think the couch was more than the bed. The bed was about, I won't say the mattress for the bed was like $900. Then the frame itself was like another $700, right? So it's like, you know, you could run around like $1,500 or $1,600 with tax and everything. So $1,600 for the bed and mattress. The TV itself, I spent $1,000 on the TV. Yup, that is a 65-inch TV. That was $1,000. And I think that was included like the mount the TV and things like that. The sound bar itself was like an additional like $300 right there. So with the TV, the mount, and all that stuff like that, you're looking at around $1,300, maybe $1,400 for everything, including the TV. What else? The comforter set. Oh shit, comforter set. I spent, I want to say like $230 on my comforter set. That sounds crazy, but like, comfort sets are like expensive. I did not realize comfort sets was that expensive. I used to like get my comfort sets from Walmart. You know, they probably be like $50, $60, but like, man, comfort set was like $2 something. I'm like, damn, like $2 something on a comfort set, like damn. But it's really comfy. So it's really comfy. So I don't regret that, because you know, on the bed, I went all out. You know what I'm saying? Because you can't put a price on like a comfy bed. You know what I'm saying? Definitely coming from like them hard ass dorm room mattresses. Like it was so uncomfortable. But now I got like a nice big queen size mattress. You know what I'm saying? With a nice soft comforter set, so you just snuggle all up in it at night. It feels so good. I got some patio furniture as well. You know, for my balcony, the chairs and the little stool. That was probably like another $100, right? You know, on the chairs and the little stand. That was $100. And I also got a plant. I don't know if y'all peeped the plant, but yeah, man, I spent like another $60 on my plant. You know what I'm saying? It was just like a little aesthetic. You know, I don't have any photos or paintings on the wall or nothing like that yet. What else I spent a good bit on? On my trash can. I ain't gonna cap. I always wanted a nice metal trash can because I don't like the plastic trash can. So the metal trash can itself was like another like 50 or 60 bucks as well. You know what I'm saying? Because you gotta have a nice trash can. It sounds crazy, but I didn't want that little cheap plastic trash can. You know what I'm saying? It just looked cheesy to me. So I went to upgrade to give me a nice metal trash can. What else, man? Had to buy knives. Knives are really expensive. Definitely like a good sharp knife. You know what I'm saying? I probably spent like another $50 to $60 on the knives. Plates. Oh my God, right? Y'all guys gonna hate me. On plates, I probably spent the plates and cups, right? I probably spent $300 on plates and cups. That sound crazy, right? Plates and cups, right? But I noticed, like, if I ever, like, when I, like, growing up, we had, like, got all our dishes from Walmart, right? You know what I'm saying? Ain't really had it like that. We got our plates from Walmart. And anytime you put them in a dishwasher, and you know how the dishwasher got the steam and all this stuff on it. The minute you use the steam on the dishwasher, it would crack the plates, because it was really cheap plates from Walmart. So spent a little money, upgraded, spent $300 on plates and cups, you know. Yeah, that was another thing. And speaking of that, on my forks and spoons, I spent another $60. I thought that was crazy, but people said that was really normal to spend on silverware, which is $60 for a set. I thought that was kind of high for like some spoons and forks. You know, I was ready to go back to get the plastic forks, me. But yeah, they said that was normal price. Then like I had to buy towels and everything as well. So I said with towels, I probably spent like another 80 bucks on towels. Small towels, big towels, you know, facial towels. Probably spent another 80 bucks on that. And then on little knick-knack things that you need as well, such as like, you know, a laundry bin, you know, little bathroom rods, trash cans for your bathroom, toilet brush, toilet bowl cleaners, and like little knick-knack things like that. I'll say in miscellaneous expenses, I probably spent another, I don't know, like $200 in like little knick-knack things on stuff like that. And then this was the real killer, right? My first grocery run. Even though it don't even look like I got a lot of groceries, when you guys see my fridge and things like that, it's some like the little knick-knack things, like, you know, for a couple of meals, buying your spices, you know, your little condiments and all the stuff you need, and the last little Tide Pods and all the little miscellaneous things. I'll probably say I spent another $500 total on like that little knick-knack things. I bought a toaster too, man. I bought a nice toaster. My toaster was $60. Yeah, I spent a lot of money. So I'll say like in a scheme of things, on the sofa that was $2,100. Then like $1,700 for the bed. On the patio furniture. Things in the kitchen. The TV. I'll say I hit a grand total of like $6,000 for my full furnished apartment. $6,000. And I'm not even gonna say it's fully furnished because I still need a lot of little things. Like, as you can see, my room was kind of plain Jane's. I really had nothing in my room but a mirror. Like, you know what I'm saying? I needed little paintings around the house. So yeah, I still need probably like another little, I'll say like another maybe $600 to $700 in like little miscellaneous things that I'll probably accumulate from my apartment to make it like just feel more homey. Granted, I already feel homey now, but you know, once I buy, you know, other little knick-knack, little decorative items and things like that, they cost. I'm not gonna lie, they cost. So I'll probably say $600 to $700. Hope I don't go over, but yeah. But other than that, if you like this video, you know what I'm saying, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and you know, follow me on Instagram as well.